So, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open an Uber Eats driver account in France. So first, go to the Uber Eats France website or download the Uber Driver app from the App Store. Once you're there, click on Sign Up to Deliver. Now, fill in your personal details like your name, email, phone number, and set up a password. You'll also need to specify how you'll deliver, by scooter, car, or bicycle. Next, you'll have to provide some documents like the valid ID, driver's license, vehicle insurance, vehicle registrations, and your bank details for payment. After submitting your documents, Uber Eats will perform a background check and verify your information, which can take a few days. Once your account is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and you can start accepting delivery requests through the Uber Driver app. And that's how you can open an Uber Eats driver account in France.